Today, we gather not only to unveil a commemorative bust, but to honor the life and legacy of a father, a leader, and a true public servant, the late Congressman Emil Ilong. Para sa kadaman, kilala siya bilang Kong Emil o Manong Emil. Pero para sa amon pamilya, he was simply Papa. A father who taught us that leadership is service, and service means loving our people unconditionally. This bust we unveil today is more than just bronze or stone. Ito ay paalala ng kanyang puso para sa tao, of his humility, compassion, and commitment to uplift Northern Samar. It is fitting that it stands here in the Balay ni Manong Emil ALS Community Learning Center because Papa believed that education is the greatest equalizer. Para sa kanya, bawat bata, bawat kabataan may karapatang mangarap at magkaroon ng kinabukasan. Bisan waray sa formal education, basta may determination, may paglaban. That is why he championed education, especially the alternative learning system, so that those who could not be in a regular classroom would still have a place to learn and belong. And this center, Balay ni Manong Emil, is a reflection of that love for the youth, for the marginalized, for hope. To our ALS teachers, coordinators, and partners in the community, damo na salamat. You continue his mission every day. To the people of Silvino Locos, thank you for keeping his memory alive, not just in words, but in action, in the way you serve one another. As we unveil this bust, we are also making a promise. Padayon ang iya natigang. As your representative and as his son, I will continue to carry his teachings na ang tinuod na serbisyo publiko diri para sa personal nga interes, kundi para sa kaupayan sa nga tanan. Public service is not about the position, but about love, paghigugma sa kapupusan ng komunidad. Papa, this is for you. Your life and legacy will live on, not only in stone, but in the hearts of the people you serve and love so deeply. Damo nga salamat ng padayon nga kauswagan sa aton nga tanan. God.